is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another FabFitFun unboxing, and this one is the summer box. And I'm going to be honest, there is Mika. No, sorry, she likes to be in my videos. There's nothing in this box right now because I have it all out on the counter to show you, and also because as soon as I got it, I could not help but open everything, and I've been using it for the past week religiously, like everything from this box. Well, most of everything. I'm very excited about this box. It is by far my favorite box so far, and the summer boxes just always bring me so much joy. And without further ado, let's get into it. So the first product in the FabFitFun box is always the magazine that comes with the box. You guys, this box is just incredible. Okay, I'm going to say that like a million times because it's just that good. Basically, the first item were these bowls. And this is something that I got to pick. And this is the box. They are the indigo tie-dye bowls, and there's 3 of them, and they're from West Elm. And basically, I took these out of the packaging as soon as I got them, and they're all over my kitchen. I've used them all this week. I love them so much. The big one, which you can see kind of like the sizes and designs, this big one I have sitting next to like my walkway, and it holds like my keys and stuff. And then the smaller ones, I've put like salsa in them. They're just really cute. They're good for dips and stuff like that. And I just love these bowls so much. So when I saw this was an option, I was like, yes, I'm choosing that over, there was a robe. I think it was the bowls or the robe, but these retail for $39. And I now have them, and I'm super excited. Okay, so the next product is the Sol de Janeiro. I think that's how you say it. Sorry if I'm butchering it. Sol de Janeiro, right? I don't know. Okay, I got these 2, and let me tell you something. I've been wanting this moisturizer for so long. It smells so good, and every time I'm in Sephora, I always go and smell it because it's just, it smells like a dream. I can't even explain to you how good it smells, or even like what it smells like. I wonder if it says. It's infused with all-powerful guarana extract. I don't know if I said that right either, but basically I've been wanting this moisturizer for years, and I got it in my box, and I've always been too cheap to buy it because it's kind of expensive. So I'm super glad that I got it in my box. And then it came with the moisturizing shower cream gel, and I haven't used this yet because I already have a body wash in my shower right now, but once I'm out of it, I will be using this, and I'm sure it smells just as good as this moisturizer. And honestly, once I'm out of this moisturizer, I will be repurchasing, because now that I like it, I just like can't not get it or have it. I'm gonna put some on right now actually. But basically, this stuff went for, okay, together it says $45. So they might be sold in like a bundle or something. I've never seen it sold that way, but maybe on their website or something like that. Or maybe on Sephora, I've just never seen it, or I've been interested in the shower gel, but I'm really excited to try it. And oh my gosh, I smell amazing. Okay. And also, wait, this is like the travel size, and so it'll be perfect for traveling for this summer. And oh my gosh, I just smell so good. Okay. The next item I got is this necklace, and I would have put it on, but I wanted to show it to you guys because it's just so cute. Sorry, someone's getting arrested or something. It's by Jennifer Zuner Jewelry, and it's just this dainty like star necklace. Sorry, my nails look so bad, but it's this like dainty star necklace, and I think it's so cute. I love all the jewelry that I get in my FabFitFun, and I always wear it all the time. So I'm really excited for this one. And it came with this cute little pouch to put it in. And so that'll be perfect for traveling and stuff like that. But yeah, this necklace retails for $50. That's like the price of the box right here. Totally worth it. And this is not sponsored, obviously, but I honestly recommend FabFitFun to everyone. I love it so much. The next item that I got was this Ico London I Do Liquid Eyeliner in black. And this actually isn't in the box because, funny story about this, I used to get Ipsy bags like way back when, and I got like a mini version of this eyeliner in my Ipsy bag, and I used it to the death and I loved it so much. It was my favorite eyeliner ever, and I could never like bring myself to buy the full size because I think it's $22. Let me check. Yeah, it's $22. So I could never bring myself to buy the full size, and I just would use the, sorry, more sirens. And I would just use the L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner, got the job done. But I'm wearing this one on my eyes today. I don't know if you can really see, but it's on my eyes today, and I love it so much. It glides on so smoothly. It's waterproof. I love it. And I'm glad that I got this in my box because it's another one of those items that I probably wouldn't have purchased, but getting it in my box, I'm like, I actually wanted this. Thank you. Thank you, FabFitFun. So that's an item I think everyone, oh no, okay, so you could either choose the eyeliner, no Mika, the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream or a Mystery Item, and I just honestly chose the eyeliner. And then for the necklace, you could have gotten these resistance bands or the silicone wine glasses, which I honestly wasn't sure if I wanted to get the necklace or these wine glasses because they're really cute. But I opted for the necklace just because I can get more uses out of it personally. I don't drink wine that often. So moving on, the next product is the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. So this is for the face, and it's just like an exfoliator, I believe. Yes, it smooths and exfoliates. Okay, and this retails for $57, and I haven't used this yet, but this is what the packaging of the actual product looks like. And let's see if it has a smell. Oh, there's a seal. I'm like really weird about my face products. I don't like when they smell weird because I'm putting it on my face. Okay. I have kind of like an I have like a lot of congestion, as you can probably tell in my voice right now, so I can't really smell it, but I think it smells pretty good. I was smelling a lot more of my hand lotion than this, but I'm excited to try this out. Okay, so that was something that you could choose. I think that was my last option to choose. So it was between this exfoliator or the Kula Organic SPF 30 Makeup Setting Sunscreen Spray. Say that 5 times fast. Kula Organic SPF 30 Makeup Setting Sunscreen Spray. 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 And Kula Organic SPF 30 Makeup Setting. Yes, that would have been $36, and I've never heard of a SPF makeup setting spray. So I kind of was like, I'll try the exfoliator because I clearly don't need that because I've never heard of it before. But great to know it exists. I do have the Kula face sunscreen that I got in a FabFitFun box, I think last summer, and it smells really good. It's like a white citrus, tea tree something or whatever, I don't know. It smells really good, and I use it all the time whenever I'm going out in the sun. So I know it's a good brand. And yeah, so the next item is this Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. And I haven't tried this yet, actually. I have the Mario Badescu rose water spray that I use all the time. Let's see how the spray actually is. I don't know if you could see that. I'm kind of scared to put it on my face. I don't know, it's kind of a cool, it's a nice mist. I don't know, it comes out nice. I think it might come out a little bit finer than the Mario Badescu one. And it smells good, and honestly the packaging is really cute. So, okay, excited about this. And it was it retailed for $25.95. So that's cute. You can just put it in your beach bag when you're at the beach and just refresh your skin with it a little bit. The next product is this Wish exfoliating foot mask. And I've never heard of an exfoliating foot mask before, so this is kind of different for me, but it says it has coconut milk and verbena, not sure. Let's see. Oh, it has another one of those seals. Let's see. I just want to see if it smells like coconuts because I love the smell of coconuts. Oh, I'm getting some out. Some's coming out. Oh yeah, it smells like coconuts for sure. Whoops. I'm excited to try it. We'll see how it goes. I don't really like feet. Oh, okay. So you apply it, go to bed, and then you wake up with softer feet. 8 to 12 hours you're supposed to rinse off. 8 to 12 hours you're supposed to just rinse it off, which is okay. And that retailed, I don't know if I said this, that retailed for $32. And then the last product that I'm so excited about, I didn't honestly think that I would like these or would want these, but I'm so glad I got to try them. They're the Invisibobble hair ties, and they look like this. I don't know, it's like, there you go. And I love these. The packaging is missing one because I've been using one of the clear ones. They do stretch out, but honestly, I love them in my hair. It feels like my hair is being like pulled less when I wear them, and I've seen everyone talk about them and everyone loved them, and so I was so excited when I saw these were coming in the box, sorry. And these retail for $16, so I got 6 of these for $16. So love these, glad I got them in my box. I cannot say this enough, this box was amazing. I can't wait for my fall box because those are always so fun. I just love like the cozy things that they include in the fall box. But if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like FabFitFun, if you've tried it, what your favorite product you've received in your FabFitFun was. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and have a great day. Bye!